today for Cuccio Pro. We're going to talk about Premium Acrylic Master Brush Kit. I remember when I started doing nails and I took the classes of how to do gels, and I always ruin the gel brush. Then I learned a little trick. I know it's going to be so useful for you guys. This brush is new, and you are going to take your self-leveling gel clear from Cuccio, of course, Cuccio Pro, and you are going to soak your brush inside the gel. And you can take the Cuccio Pro forms and use the back of the forms like this. Place it on your table, and you're going to clean your brush with the gel on the forms. This way, every time you have a new gel brush, always saturate with the clear gel, and you're going to do this just like when you're using for the first time the acrylic brush, but the gel one. And you're gonna notice that the color is gonna change a little bit. It started like so white, and now it looks a little cloudy or a little turn like a little beige. That's normal. And always put your brush, when you're finished doing the nails, always maintain your brush with this clear gel. This is going to help you to extend the life of your brush like 1 year. So now that you have your brush already saturated with the clear gel, remember that's the trick. Now you can, if you're going to do a French, you pick up the white, for example, and do the application. So watch this. I just swipe it on the nail form. You see how clean is my brush? So this trick about always saturate your brush with the clear gel is going to do two things. Keep your brush in shape, and it's going to last like 1 year, and also is going to keep your brush without stains. So you're ready to go, you're ready to keep doing different colors of gels, and your brush always going to be white and nice.